Assalamu alaikum students. I'm your Evs-I teacher, SANIYA RANGREJ. In the previous video, we have studied lesson number 1 and we have completed it. Now we will proceed further with lesson number 2. So lesson number 2 is motion of the earth. Now, the content of the chapter includes the earth rotation, sunset and sunrise, a year, a leap year, phases of the moon, the full moon and the new moon, and last, the lunar month and days. It's also known as Tithi. Firstly, we will study about what is motion. What does motion mean? Motion is nothing but a movement or a way of moving. You can see the picture in front of you. Picture is of a top. The axis is there in front of you drawn. And how is it rotating? In which direction? That is known as rotation. You got the word? What is motion means? Movement or a way of moving. Now, here we come on the first point of the chapter, the Earth's rotation. Earth spins around its axis just as a top spins around its spindle. This spinning movement is called as Earth's rotation. Now see, if a circle were drawn around the surface of the Earth, exactly in between the north and the south pole, it would divide the Earth into two equal parts. And this imaginary circle is called the equator. The two equal parts it makes of the Earth are called the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere respectively. And do you know, students, what is motion of the Earth? It is the rotation and revolution. These both are motion of the Earth. When Earth spins or rotates around its axis, that movement of spinning is called rotation of the Earth. Got it? Got my point, students? When Earth spins or rotates around its axis, that movement of spinning is called rotation of Earth. And when Earth spins or revolves around the Sun, that movement is called revolution of the Earth. Rotation of the Earth means it is the movement of the Earth on its axis. Day and night takes place because of rotation. So the days and nights that you see are actually because of this rotation of the Earth around its own axis. Got it? And what is revolution of the Earth? It is the second type of the motion of the Earth. It is the movement of the Earth around the Sun in a fixed path or orbit. And revolution causes the changes of season. Here in front of you the picture is of a globe. You can see it. You can read it carefully also and clearly. A globe. This is the picture of a globe. This is North Pole, axis, Northern Hemisphere, Equator, Southern Hemisphere, South Pole, and plumb line. Now, you have to try this at home. Stand a candle. See in the picture. You will see it clearly. The candle is in between. Stand a candle in the middle of a large table. Draw a big circle around the candle, like this way. First candle is in between and then the circle is drawn. Place a globe at any point on this circle. Now see, you can see the globe here. And on any point of the big circle there is a globe kept. Light the candle. After that, light the candle. See that it is dark in the room. Suppose that a candle is the sun. And you have to see that where this experiment you are doing, in that room should be dark. Means light should be off. Switch off. And the candle, imagine the candle is the sun. And then you have to observe that which part of the globe gets the sun's light and which one does not. You will see like this way image. Now look at the globe from the direction of the North Pole. Turn it anti-clockwise. This is how the earth rotates. That is, it rotates from west to east. As the earth rotates, its different parts come into the light of the sun, one after the other, and turn away from it also in the same order. Like this way, you will see and observe that how the earth rotates. You can try it. Now the point comes sunset and sunrise. The picture is in front of you. A globe is there in front of you, and there it is described that day and night on the globe. This period of time that the earth takes to complete one rotation is called a day. A day has two parts, daytime and nighttime, or simply day and night. For the purpose of measuring time, we divide the whole day into 24 parts, each of which is called an hour. And you know it very well, how is daytime and nighttime, and how the whole day is divided. This is the first part of this video, students. Hope you have understood. And the second part of the video will be in the next video. So take care and learn the definitions, what I have taught you. Allah Hafiz.